Let's take another question from True North Aviation. The relative bearing to a beacon is 270. 3 minutes later, at a ground speed of 180 knots, it changes to 225. What was the distance of the closest point of approach of the aircraft to the beacon? Let's make a simple diagram so that we'll understand the question. Okay. Relative bearing of to a beacon is 270. Let your aircraft is here. This is your aircraft, and relative bearing is 270. It means angle of the heading to the beacon should be 270. So this angle is 270. Okay. 3 minutes later, at a ground speed of 180 knots, it changes to 225. 3 minutes later, this is aircraft is going like this. 3 minutes later, this 3 minute and ground speed is 180 knots. Okay, and the relative bearing is changes to 225. So relative bearing is changes to 225. So this angle is changes to 225. This angle is 225 degree. Okay. What was the distance of the closest point of approach of the aircraft? Which is the closest point? These three are the points A, B, and C. Okay, which is the closest? This is the closest point. This distance is the closest point, and this is the far point. Okay, so you have to find this distance. What is the distance is? Okay, what is the value of this angle is 90 degree. Value of this angle 45 degree. How much is this? 45 degree. Okay, so two angles are same. When two angles are same, so it's a isosceles triangle. So in an isosceles triangle, the property is two sides are equal. Which two sides are equal? Which of the opposite angles are equal? These two angles are 45, 45. So these two sides are equal. So we have to find the distance of this side. This side. What is the distance? Given 3 minutes 180 knots. So distance is equal to speed multiplied by time. Speed is 180. Time is 3 minutes. So you have to convert in 3 minutes into hour, because knots speed in nautical mile per hour. Okay. So this is 3 minutes we have converted into hour. So this will come 9 nautical mile. So your answer will be 9 nautical mile. This is your answer. Okay.